All right, guys, check this one out. This is a double cap that we just had done for a customer. This is 10K rose gold. Okay, check that out. It's the back side. Got your stamp in the back. It's for 2 teeth together as one piece. Solid. It's made from an actual impression of the customer's teeth. So it's a perfect fit, guys. Snaps right on the teeth there. And the 2 teeth stays on real nice and snug. It's handmade. So you're gonna get a personalized custom fit. All right, you can get yours on our website, blingcartel.com. Check us out, guys. You get real 10K rose gold double cap. Check us out, guys. blingcartel.com. Thank you for watching. And as always, y'all have a good one.